All right, thank you, Francis. Now, in other news, Acting Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i has halted the deregistration of AfriCOG and Kenya Human Rights Commission. Matiang'i stopped the shutdown ordered by the NGO Coordination Board on a day the United States and the European Commission condemned the crackdown and asked the government to respect the rule of law. Hassan Magambi has the details.
Drama ensued at the AfriCOG headquarters in Lavington, Nairobi, when officers attached to the Kenya Revenue Authority and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations mounted a raid in pursuit of incriminating documents. Despite flashing a court order sanctioning the raid, activists drawn from different human rights organizations barred the officers from gaining entry.
You allow us to comply with the order. Unless you have another order stopping the compliance with that particular order, then that we can address in court. But for now, we would want to execute that order.
Na hata hiyo makaratasi tu walikuja nazo zilikuwa na hitilafu kadhaa. Kwa hivyo tukasema hatutakubali waingie.
The officers, however, retreated after intervention by Acting Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i. In a letter to the NGO Coordinating Board Executive Director Fazul Mohammed, Matiang'i suspended action against AfriCOG and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, asking Mohammed to allow a committee headed by Interior PS Karanja Kibicho to probe the compliance of the two bodies. In a letter seen by Citizen TV, Matiang'i says, "My view is that before conclusive and final action such as deregistration, comprehensive and exhaustive engagement needs to happen. This would include an opportunity for the organizations and stakeholders concerned to engage with the NGOs Coordination Board and effectively address any outstanding non-compliance issues that may have led to the deregistration of the two organizations." The organizations have since been summoned before the committee on the 18th of this month and will be required to present registration certificates, a list of board of directors, tax compliance certificates, and a list of donors funding the organizations, among other vital documents. The crackdown on civil society was roundly condemned by the United States, the United Kingdom, and NASA leader Raila Odinga.
For those who have been blocked from seeking redress in courts, such as the sustained clampdown on the civil society that have attempted to go to court.
Open civil society is really the foundation of a democratic country.
I think civil society needs to be given the space to carry out its important work.
The NGOs Coordinating Board had accused AfriCOG of operating